This is a 2018 Forest River Cardinal 3456 40-foot fifth wheel. This comes with 3 slides with toppers, solar, frameless tinted windows, another awning off of the slide, island kitchen with a dishwasher, theater style seating, sofa sleeper, retractable HD TV over fireplace, ceiling fan, separate pantry, 3-door refrigerator, dual vanities, walk around king bed with an additional HD TV, washer and dryer prep, another HD TV, For more information, just give us a call at 360-314-6141. I'd like to say welcome to Annie's RV in Vancouver, Washington.